For generations, we've all been handed this very specific script about success. Go to school, clock in, work way harder than the guy next to you, and eventually, you'll be wealthy. But what if that script is, well, fundamentally flawed? What if the traditional path we've all been taught is actually the exact thing keeping you from reaching your financial goals? Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're taking a sledgehammer to some of the most persistent, old-school assumptions about how wealth is actually created in the modern world. We're going to completely dismantle those outdated ideas right now and together rebuild a modern blueprint for achieving true financial independence.
So let's start with a really provocative question. Does working harder actually make you rich? Society practically glorifies the 80-hour work week, right? We celebrate the late-night grind, the hustle, the sheer exhaustion of it all. But statistically, the people working the absolute most physically exhausting hours, like those doing back-breaking labor or pulling double shifts, they are rarely the wealthiest. Millionaires understand this counterintuitive secret. Exhaustion is not a badge of honor. Honestly, it's often a sign of inefficiency. They don't just outwork everyone else in terms of raw hours. Instead, they realize that relying solely on relentless physical hard work is a total trap. The modern blueprint requires you to work smarter, not just harder.
Okay, so here's our roadmap for today. We're going to cover 5 key areas. First, the hard work myth. Second, mastering high-income skills. Third, building automated income streams. Fourth, solving problems in investing. And finally, the path to true freedom. Let's just dive right in.
All right, Section 1, the hard work myth, shifting the paradigm.
Now, trading time for money is basically the default setting for most of the world. Think of it like swinging an axe every single day to get firewood. The second you stop swinging, you freeze. If you get sick, take a vacation, or just need a break, the fuel stops. When you rely solely on hard work, you're doing nothing more than exchanging your time for a paycheck. And time is a strictly finite resource, right? You only have 24 hours in a day, so you will inevitably hit a ceiling. Smart work, on the other hand, is about putting down the axe and spending your time building a pipeline. You front-load the effort so that the system delivers fuel directly to your home even when you're sleeping or traveling. Time is strictly finite, but systems are beautifully infinite.
Moving on to Section 2, master high-income skills, the prerequisite.
So, before you can automate anything, you obviously need something of value to offer. Enter the knowledge asset. This is an acquired skill or expertise that consistently generates income over a period of years. You see, millionaires don't just buy index funds or real estate, they buy capabilities. They invest heavily in information and education. Whether it's reading deep industry analyses, taking specialized online courses, or really studying market behaviors, they treat every single thing they learn as a powerful long-term asset. When you shift your mindset to actually view your own brain as your most valuable high-yield real estate, you establish the absolute foundation for true wealth.
And look at these. Whether it's writing code, leveraging AI tools, digital marketing, copywriting, sales, video editing, graphic design, or investing, these aren't just resume padders. They are high-leverage skills. Consider the difference between a standard administrative task and, say, writing a brilliant piece of copywriting or coding a new app. The code and the copy can be replicated infinitely and put in front of millions of people without any extra effort from you once it's created. That is exactly why the market happily pays thousands of dollars for them. Mastering even one or two of these specific skills allows you to completely decouple your income from the clock. You're no longer paid for the hours you set at a desk. You're paid for the massive, scalable value you provide.
All right, Section 3. Build automated income streams, designing the machine.
Now, most people operate with a massive single point of failure. One job, one paycheck. If that single job disappears because of a layoff or a sudden shift in the economy, their entire financial world crumbles. The millionaire's safety net is diversification. But it's not just about setting up random, disjointed side hustles. No, these streams actually feed each other. Picture this, a primary freelance business that generates active cash flow. That cash is then funneled directly into dividend-paying investments. Meanwhile, maybe a YouTube channel drives organic traffic to an e-commerce store. It's a completely interconnected ecosystem. You insulate yourself by creating a portfolio of multiple streams flowing beautifully into one central, overflowing financial reservoir.
Automation is the secret weapon of smart workers. It's incredibly profound in its simplicity, really. In the modern economy, you don't need a massive, expensive workforce to scale a business. Software never sleeps. AI doesn't need coffee breaks, and online checkouts certainly don't ask for time and a half overtime pay. By delegating the heavy logistical lifting, the repetitive emails, the data entry, the order processing, to technology, you buy back your most precious asset. You get your time back. And with that time, you can focus on creating actual, high-level strategic value that drives exponential growth.
This brings us to Section 4, Solve Problems and Invest, Growing the Fortress.
Listen, there is a massive psychological difference between spending to look rich and investing to actually become rich. We see the illusion constantly, right? Luxury cars, designer labels, exorbitant bar tabs, often bought on credit just to project status to complete strangers. It's a financial mirage. True wealth is notoriously quiet. The quiet compounding power of wealth isn't flashy. It's capital consistently compounding in index funds or equity slowly building up in a real estate portfolio. The appearance of wealth is often the exact thing preventing actual wealth. So don't drain your hard-earned income to create an illusion for others. Put it to work so that you actually become wealthy.
So how exactly do you build that quiet wealth? Well, step 1, identify a big, painful problem. The market compensates you directly in proportion to the size of the problem you solve for others. Step 2, build a scalable solution. Create an app, a specialized service, or a digital product that can reach millions of customers globally rather than just serving the people in your immediate zip code. And step 3, network relentlessly. Your next massive leap in net worth rarely comes from endlessly scrolling a job board. It comes from a conversation with someone already playing at the exact level you want to reach. Opportunities are literally unlocked by people.
And finally, Section 5, The Path to True Freedom, your masterpiece.
Extraordinary wealth is never an overnight accident. It is the byproduct of a specific, disciplined timeline. Day 1 is simply learning a high-leverage skill. Fast forward to month 6, and you've built a reliable system around that skill. By year 3, that system is largely automated, generating enough surplus that you can heavily invest the difference. And by year 5, you arrive at true financial freedom. Now, it requires staggering consistency. It means reading daily, maintaining discipline, and stacking tiny wins week after week. But this compounding effort, when applied over years, is the closest thing we have to real magic.
True wealth isn't about expensive things. It's about having the freedom to choose how you spend your time. When you envision the ultimate goal of this entire blueprint, I want you to zoom out past the sports cars and the mansions. Honestly, those are just byproducts. The actual goal is being fully present at the family dinner table without frantically checking your email. It's dedicating time to charity work. It's working from your laptop on a beautiful coastline because you want to, not because you have to. We are intentionally redefining wealth today. It is unequivocally time freedom.
Hard work earns a living, but smart work builds a fortune. Starting today, you have the absolute power to shift your paradigm. By mastering high-income skills, building automated systems, and investing the difference, you finally step off the treadmill. You transition from merely surviving the daily grind and trading your finite hours for a paycheck to architecting a lasting, resilient fortune.
So your millionaire journey begins with one smart decision. What system will you build today? Look closely at your daily routines. Where can you apply leverage? What knowledge asset can you actually acquire this week? Don't wait around for the perfect moment or for someone to magically give you permission. Make that one smart decision today and start building.